Hey BROCHIKAS, welcome back to my channel. I'm in the middle of making a vlog right now, and I'm out shopping because I have to go grocery shopping. So I also stopped at Dollar Tree to see what they had first, and I'm gonna do a quick little haul in my car in the parking lot. So I'm just gonna show you quickly. I went there to see if they had toilet paper, and they did. I'm very happy because usually, so they get their shipment on Mondays, but I guess sometimes they don't get to put it all out on Monday, but also I'm sure they're having multiple trucks coming now in this time. So it is Saturday and they had toilet paper. This is the first time I found toilet paper at Dollar Tree, and I'm really excited because I just like to make sure I have enough. We're on our last pack, and so for a 4-person family, that's like, I'd rather have at least 2 packs at a time, and we're already broke open our last pack. So I decided to get 2 of these. It's just 4 little rolls, and the reason why I have to have 2 is because they're so little. Like, these are not double rolls, and there's only 4 little ones in each pack, and that's not that much toilet paper if you really think about it. So I like to have at least 2 of these on hand, and they actually seem pretty soft, so that's nice. I also picked up these little small garbage bags with I can't speak right now, with a lavender scent to them, and there's 40 little bags in here, and they're purple, and our family loves lavender scent. I wanted to pick these up last time and I didn't, but we're gonna be moving soon, and I have these little bathroom trashes, and I always put garbage bags, but I realized that we're not saving grocery store bags. We're not saving them anymore because of the virus. We're throwing them away, so I don't really have bags to put in my bathroom trashes, so I picked these little bags up. I'm really hoping that nobody comes next to my car. All right, I also needed cat food, and I decided to get it at Dollar Tree just to save myself some money. So I got the 9 Lives. They did have the Dollar Tree brand, but this is a name brand, so I went with this one. I think she's had this one before. I got 2 of these packs. Can't beat that for $1, and I was running low on cat food. And this is just a little fun pickup that I just had to get. I got 2 of these. I'm not going to show you the other one because everything's all wrapped up, but they're just these little cute decorations. It's just a tiny little glass vase with these little teal flowers in them. Like, they look like teal sunflowers almost, but this is the little pop of color in my home decor scheme, and I had seen them like a month ago before this all started, and I didn't get them, and I was like, you don't need them, you're not moving yet. And I know that I'm still not in my new house yet, but I'm about to be, and these were so cute. And you know, cute things like that at Dollar Tree, if you don't pick them up, they're gonna be gone by the next time you go there. So you know what, I got 2. I was like, I'm getting them, I'm sorry. I'm getting them. Along with that, I got these. So these match those little flowers exactly, and this is 4 little placemats for my dining room table. I don't have any placemats at the moment, but I really wanted to get some, and this was in the summer section, which is right next to the Easter section. They're like starting to change over their Easter decor into like summer beachy, like backyard barbecue party stuff. You know how they always do that at Dollar Tree. So I picked up 4 of these placemats because they look like woven wicker, and I thought they were really nice looking for $1, honestly, and because it just goes perfectly with my scheme. Couldn't pass it up because those things will also be gone, you know that. So I got some Easter eggs for the kids. These are a 12-piece Easter eggs. So these are empty, but they kind of look like Day of the Dead design, which I thought was pretty cool. They kind of look like Mexican, so I liked it. I got these. I only got 12 of them. I'm just gonna do a small little egg hunt with my children. My husband was like, I don't think they'll mind if we don't have a regular Easter because of everything that's going on, but I like don't have it in my heart to not do something for them for Easter, even if it's something little. I'm not gonna get them huge baskets and stuff, but I still wanted to do eggs. Like, my daughter loves finding eggs. It's like what she waits for all year long. So I just got 2 little filler candies, and yeah, it's a cheap Easter this year, but we'll have a better one next year. It'll be fine. But I got the cookies and cream. There's just people all around me now. I got the cookies and cream eggs, and then I got the Easter bunnies, which are milk chocolate. So I got those. I also saw they re-upped on their activity books. They didn't have too many choices, but they had a lot of them. And I got another one for my daughter because homeschool life. So this is a math learning activity workbook for grades 1 to 2. And then I also picked up another sketchbook. It's just got plain paper for them. I got this for them like the first time and they went through it so quickly. They love drawing on plain paper now. And I was through this section and I saw this and I had to get it. It's not a necessity, but this will be for my little vanity wall. You know how I have all those cute girly like pictures on my vanity wall usually? Well, this is a perfume bottle with gold, and I do have gold in my room decor. So I was like, oh, I have to get it. It's the only one there. I just have to get it. Then I picked these up from the what was that, like that painter's man section of Dollar Tree. These are felt pads to put on the bottom of chairs or furniture, and since we have beautiful new flooring at our new house, I want to have these right away for when we get in there. I want to automatically put these on the bottom of my chairs because my chairs do like, they're pretty rough on the ground, but right now we're on tile, so it's not as bad. But we're gonna be on wood flooring, so I don't want them to get all scratched up. So I picked these up. You get 60 pieces in this. That's a really good deal. And I think this is the last bag. This is a cat snack. So little treats. They're Meow Mix. It's brand name, so I figured I'd pick it up for the cat. Ocean Explosion. It has tartar control, which is good. And these are crunchy cat treats. So name brand cat snacks, you cannot beat that. And this is another cat treat. It says it's by the brand Pounce, and these are moist and made with real chicken. So I got her some moist ones as well, and I could not resist this. I could not resist this, you guys, because she hasn't been wearing a collar because she like chewed through her other ones, and I just got her another one because they have ones with bows now, you guys. They had blue and they had purple and they had pink and red with a little bow on it. I've never seen this from Dollar Tree. They keep coming out with new colors. I've seen glitter, I've seen shiny, and I've seen like regular, and they have a lot of colors of the regular ones, but they just came out with a little bow on it, and I was like, that is just so cute. I got to do it. So I got it. I also got this super glue, this fix all adhesive super glue, because the mirror that I DIY painted, I'm going to be putting my old vanity lights around that mirror, and they used to have foam pads to stick, but they were like industrial strength, and I don't think I could find something that will stick that well. So they still have some residue on the back. I figured I could just like super glue it to the mirror. So I got this one because it says it solves all your gluing, sealing, and repairing problems, and it's water resistant. It works great on rubber, wood, and metal. So I picked that up to put the lights on. And then I also found one hand soap, and anytime I see hand soap, I pick up at least one. I'm not gonna go crazy and like pick up a bunch of them so that other people can't get them, but I'll get like 1 or 2. If there's a lot of them, I'll get 2, but there was only 3, so I picked up 1. And this is the Bolero Rose and Coconut Creamy Hand Wash, and it says for all skin types. The packaging is beautiful. I've seen this in people's hauls, and I haven't yet been able to pick one up from my Dollar Tree, so can't go wrong with having hand soap in the house. And I also picked up more of these Snyder's pretzels because this is just a really good value. This is $2.99 in the store. And so I got the sourdough nibblers, and I also got more of these honey wheat twists because my son really liked these, and me and him basically ate the whole bag together. So I picked up another one of these, and they're full size. I mean, you really can't beat it. I was gonna get chips or snacks at the store anyways, so now I don't have to because I saved some money. And yeah, I believe that was it for my Dollar Tree haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was like super quick and in my car and weird, but thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna sanitize my hands now. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoy this half essential, half fun Dollar Tree haul, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.